Let's do something with me. Let's go to a downward facing dog. Alright. Okay, from your downward facing dog, if you are familiar with the Ashtanga primary series, probably you inhale, you will jump straight to the pose, to the Bhujapidasana by hooking the arms like that. Okay, but if you are not familiar with this pose, you follow me. Okay, you bend the knees, you exhale. When you inhale, you jump lightly to the side of the arms. And then you squat down. Okay, it's like you're doing a Malasana here. Alright, so I'll give a option for beginners later. But for those who can, put the arms in. Bring your arms, your palms in, closer. Okay, getting inwards. Then push the palms, get the elbows closer. Don't spread it out. Okay, get it closer. Then slowly bring your weight slightly backwards. So your buttocks to the back. Bring your weight slightly to the back. So you want to try to find that balance. It's like you are scaling, okay, machine. So 50% weight at the back, 50% at the front. Actually, this is very easy to lift up the legs. And you cross the legs like that. You stay here, look front. Okay, for those who can't even put the palms on the floor, it would be good to have a block under. 2 blocks under, you grip the edge of the blocks. Then same thing, you lean back. You put your buttocks, your hips on there, on your upper arm, like that. Then slowly find that balance. You lift one leg at one time, then slowly you cross the legs. Alright, stay here. This is already a Bhujapidasana. Okay, this is, if you're still warm, if you feel that it's too much for your wrist, there's too much of Chaturanga just now, just turn a bit on your wrist. Okay, if you can stay 5 to 10 counts here, or 5 to 10 Ujjayi breath here, would be very nice. So for advanced, you can even bring the legs in and then bring your chin down, touch the floor. Not even warm. Alright, let me see how you guys doing. Try it out. It's actually just about finding that balance. Imagine yourself putting 50% weight behind and then lift 50% weight at the front of the leg side. You can actually lift up very easily. You have to push the palms down, so don't let the arms loosen up. Just push more, engage more, and you can cross the legs. The only way to bring your legs in, under, is that you need to push your palms a lot to create a space between the floor and your legs and your feet. Then only can bring down. Okay, so you stay here for 5 breaths. Inhale, you push up. Exhale, you hear this is the actual breath counting of the Bhujapidasana in Ashtanga. And inhale, you slowly push yourself up to your Bakasana. Exhale, you jump back. Chaturanga Dandasana. So this is actually the 2 poses that I would like to introduce today, but we have not much time to go to Bakasana. Or if you're advanced, you can go to Bakasana. But if not, try the Bhujapidasana, the first pose. Alright, with the block or without the blocks. Very nice. In fact, for regular Ashtanga practitioners, if you want to do from Bhujapidasana to your Bakasana, if you can't do it in one time from your Bhujapidasana, at least you slowly step down here. Then go to your Bakasana. Then push the palms more, jump back. Inhale. I know this looks like advanced, right? But I just want you to be reminded that it's important to push the palms a lot to the floor, like push the floor away. That creates a lot of engagement on your arms instead of putting a lot of weight on your wrists and your elbows. It's rather technical, but just let's play around. Let me see how you do. All right. I know it's a lot. You guys are still doing. It's really good. Actually, good. Push free. Yes. I know a lot of you, right? Especially women, you have very heavy bum here. So you feel that, wow, I need to use extra palms, extra arm strength here, because too much here, you will drop easily. So find that balance, okay? Don't lift up the legs so fast. Find that balance here, but at the same time engage by pushing the palms down, so you're not losing that engagement, okay? When you manage to cross it tight. Point, then bring it in if you can, or else stay here. All right. This is the rather the only unbalanced pose in Ashtanga primary series. It's okay. Just make it an introduction for unbalance for this community class or the free class. All right. It's doing well, really well. Yeah, we almost did the half of the sequence for primary, which is at night, evening time. It's a lot. I usually don't do the full sequence at night because it will make me feel refreshed and I can't sleep at night. So I skip a lot on the inversion. That's all. Sit down, cool down by interlock your fingers like that and just turn your wrist a bit. Okay, relax your wrist. It's good. Okay, it's enough. If you have questions, you can always reach out. You can in the internet, you can hashtag yoga with Yong. You can find all my social medias there. You can always send your questions. You can even tag me with the post. If you want my advice, I can always be there to let you know my small opinion, okay? Small view. All right. I think that's all. You have your savasana done just now. You have all the things done. You just have to get a good sleep for tonight. So I'll pass back to Nessa. Oh, yeah. At the same time, I would like to say thanks to Nessa for inviting me to celebrate together with you all in this International month of June. It's full of joy. Of course, it's full of sufferings and sorrows, all around the world with the COVID situation now. But at the same time, we can still celebrate. We can still celebrate the joy together. All right, that's the beauty of life. A lot of emotions, a lot of things going on, but we can still be happy. All right, pass it back to you, Nessa.